It is Thursday morning. Happy Thursday, everyone. They have the truck in there to cut the tree. So it's Thursday morning. They have a truck to cut the tree. So be safe, everyone. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. Shout out to all the viewers. Subscribers. Hello to you all. And like and share, subscribe my YouTube channel. It's Megan Espinay Vlog. Thank you and God bless. Have a good day and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. It's Megan Espinay Vlog. Like and share, subscribe. They're about to cut the tree here in front of our door. So thank you and God bless. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog. Thank you and God bless. Have a good weekend to you all and see you again soon for the next vlog. It's cloudy Thursday morning here in Maryland, USA. So good morning everyone here in Maryland, USA. Good evening in PI Philippines and afternoon somewhere in UK. Wherever you are, stay safe as always. Thank you and God bless you all. They're about to cut the tree in front of our door, our building. So thank you for watching. God bless you all. That's the truck. Just to cut the tree. Thank you and God bless you all. So long and see you again soon for the next vlog.